I'm Amy Lucci and I'm here at 14 Desantis Court on Hamilton's East Mountain. This is a great family home with 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, and a fully finished basement. But today's video is all about location, location, location. So come with me and let's check out the neighborhood. TB McQuestion Park is right down the street, which has this awesome skating rink in the winter time, and there's this awesome track to keep your fitness goals on track. And not to mention all the play equipment for the kids. And with all the shops around, including Leverage Mall, you can shop till you drop. Alarm didn't go off? Running late for work? No problem, the highway's just a minute away. And that's just a small sample of what this area has to offer. And to top it all off, this home is located at the end of a quiet court with a pie-shaped lot. We're hosting an open house this Saturday and Sunday from 2 to 4 p.m. so you can come check it out for yourself. Who knows, you could be walking into your new home. I'm Amy Lucci, thanks for watching.